Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI videos with HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and open the main dashboard. From the dashboard, start a new video project. HeyGen gives you different options for creating content, including AI avatars, templates, and other video creation tools. Choose the option that allows you to create a video with an AI avatar. You'll then be able to select a virtual presenter from the available avatar library. After choosing your avatar, enter the script you want the presenter to speak. Make sure your script is clear and divided into short, easy-to-understand sections. Next, select an AI voice for your presenter. Choose a language and voice that match your target audience. Depending on the available settings, you may also be able to adjust the speaking style and other voice options. Now customize the visual appearance of your video. You can change the background, add text, adjust the positioning of elements, and organize your scenes. Once your video is ready, use the preview feature to check the entire presentation. Pay attention to the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, and visual layout. If everything looks good, generate the video. HeyGen will process your project and create the final AI video. When processing is complete, watch the finished video one more time. If you're satisfied with the result, export the video using the available options.